What's up, guys? It's Levi from Teched Up here, and today my TreadNet router has actually been hacked somehow. I have no clue how it happened. There was some kind of email glitch that led to a series of unfortunate events. Long story short, I'm gonna have to smash the router. That's what the company told me to do, and I don't have a problem with it just because who doesn't like a good destruction story? So I decided to share this with you guys because everybody who's like me, who likes just to break things, it's pretty stress relieving. So let's see how well this router holds up against a hammer here. The router is holding up really well against this. Oh, it is smashed. Let's destruct in. The router is, you can now see the circuit board where the hacking most likely has taken place. These things can take a beating. I don't think that this thing is going to be getting hacked anymore. So there you have it, guys. A TreadNet router destroyed. Stay teched up.